Water. It's the original miracle drink. 0 calories, no sugar, and you don't have to wait for a sale to stock up. But are you drinking enough of it? Today, we're diving into why staying hydrated is the secret sauce to feeling like a human and not a dried out sponge. Ever feel tired, cranky, or like your brain took the day off? Chances are dehydration might be to blame. Even being just 2% dehydrated can mess with your focus, mood, and energy levels. And no, coffee doesn't count as hydration. Don't shoot the messenger. Water is the MVP of your body. It's like that reliable friend who's always got your back. It keeps your blood flowing, your joints moving, and your skin looking like you just walked out of a spa. Plus, it's the delivery system for nutrients, flushing out toxins, and keeping your temperature just right. Basically, water does everything except your taxes. Now, how much water should you drink? That 8 glasses a day rule. It's a good start, but think of it as a flexible guideline, not a hard rule. Your hydration needs depend on your activity level, the weather, and how much you're sweating. If you're parched, your body's already waving the white flag. Drink before you're thirsty. And speaking of sweating, if you're active or pretending to be, hydration is your best workout buddy. Dehydration can lead to muscle cramps, dizziness, and a dip in performance. Water isn't just fuel for your car, it's the oil that keeps the engine running smoothly. Now let's talk drinks that don't count. Sugary sodas? They'll leave you thirstier than when you started. Alcohol? It's a dehydrator in disguise. Your best bet? Good old water, maybe jazzed up with a lemon wedge or some cucumber slices if you're feeling fancy. Don't forget to keep water close. A reusable bottle can be your hydration sidekick. Plus, it's good for the environment, and who doesn't love saving the planet while sipping in style? Start your day with a glass of water. Your body just spent hours fasting while you slept, so give it a jump start. It's like saying good morning to your insides. So there you have it, hydration in a nutshell. Simple, essential, and a little life-changing. Your body will thank you, your brain will thank you, and hey, your skin might even give you a round of applause. Now go grab a glass of water and make your cells proud.